Okay, so Farooq, we're here at the lobby of Miracles. As you can see, we've tried to keep it very spacious, very airy, very chic. You know, the best part about these buildings and all our buildings is it's packed with a lot of amenities, especially for the price point we're offering.
I love the chandelier over here. This is really cool.
Thank you.
This is, I remember this is from Adil, has this in his house as well, and I think it's the same supplier of Atlantis, right?
Emirates Hills and now in Miracles. So we try to keep the quality at par.
All right, guys, let's go up.
Let's go.
We're going to go check out the amenities of the building before we take you guys straight to the apartment. So I think we're going to the ground floor.
Yeah, we're gonna now head to the 18th floor first,
Okay.
which is our beautiful infinity pool. Come and take a look, and I'm going to show you more about it.
Very excited to see this infinity pool. So come on, let's go.
So Farooq, now we've reached the 18th floor.
Okay.
And this, I want to show you
Wow,
something
this looks
very,
really
very
cool.
beautiful.
Oh, wow. Bro, that looks very, very cool.
So we have an infinity pool, and that is the Miracle Garden right there.
Well, this has to be, I think, the best view of the Miracle Garden ever, guys. And by the way, fun fact, this building is called Miracles because it's right across from the Miracle Gardens. And I think the way they've done the 18th floor is so amazing. That you just come out straight and you get a straight view shot of the Miracle Garden. Very, very cool. So, Adil, what else do we have on this floor?
So we have two interesting things. The first one, we have a nice, beautiful jacuzzi over there.
Wow.
You know, if you had a good workout, you want to come and relax, this is the place you want to be.
Wow, very, very nice. And I love the view as well. Since you're so high up, you get a panoramic view of the Motor City Autodrome. You can see the entire races from here. By the way, guys, that's the plot of the next project.
As you guys can see, we have the corner plot over there.
Yeah.
Skies, which I was talking to you earlier about.
Yeah.
So that's where it's going to be. And you guys, if you guys love this, you're going to love what's in store in Skies for sure.
Wow. So guys, you go get front row seats to the Autodrome. You're right on Emirates Road, which is great, which provides great connectivity to the entire area of Urjan, and that's why this is one of the most highly sought after areas because of the way it's connected with all the major highways. Major landmarks are very, very close by. You're just 10 minutes away from the Mall of the Emirates, 20 minutes from downtown. For those of you who want to get a perspective about where we are in the city. So guys, this is the rain shower we were talking about. It's really cool. Wow, I really like this.
It's actually multi-purpose. It's a kids pool, and it also has a nice rain shower if you're in the mood for that.
I've never seen something like this, guys. It's pretty cool. I love it. I love it. People should make this in their own houses.
I'm getting ideas now. Now we're going to go to the first floor, which is the podium.
Okay.
You're going to see some nice, relaxing avenues. And then right after, we're going to go and show you the show apartment.
Nice, guys. Stay tuned. There's a lot more coming up in this video. Oh, so this is the gym, huh?
You know, people have just started shifting to this building. We handed it over 2 months ago.
Okay.
So already there's a good traction of people coming into the apartment.
I like the fact that you guys have an outdoor gym as well, guys. This is really cool.
That's important. You know, the few
Yeah.
months we get in Dubai, it's good to have a bit of indoor and outdoor.
No, but very cool stuff, guys. Like you have all your major equipment here.
So Farooq, we've come to the first floor where
Nice.
we have, you know, it's a nice, beautiful outdoor location.
Oh, and we have a paddle tennis court right over here.
The one I was talking about. And
very
as you
cool.
can see, this place is filled with a lot of amenities. We have paddle tennis, we have badminton, we have, you know, a nice north and south lake. We have a beautiful jogging track around the tower, kids play, family gazebo, barbecue station, walkway track. And there's also something really cool. It's called rock climbing for your kids. They want to come and they want to have a bit of their workout. They can do so over here.
Right? Oh, wow.
Right here.
Ah, this is interesting.
Yeah.
You know, this honestly feels like a little kids play area entire thing.
So you can have like a family
many
workout. The father's working out inside, the kids are playing over here.
It really feels like you're in a resort rather than a residential building.
If you guys like what you see over here, our newest project Skies is filled with many, many more amenities. So you're going to love when that is ready.
I really like this walkway thing that you guys have done as well throughout the building. By the way, guys, Danube Home has some of the best garden furniture. So make sure you guys check out their catalog as well.
So here we have a nice sitting area. You want to just come and relax. On my right, we have a beautiful, you know, fountain. It just
very
gives
cool.
a very nice, surreal feeling.
Yeah,
You're going for a walk in the evening. You know, you hear, you know, a good.
This is what's very important, I feel. You know, I mean, now that in Dubai, obviously, there's a lot of people who have apartments, but they need these amenities, and I think that's what brings that unique factor in when it comes to quality of the product and quality of the development. Is defined by, in my opinion, the amenities in the building and obviously the end product as well. Now that you guys have seen the podium, you guys have seen the amenities, let's take you guys upstairs. We're finally going to check out an apartment inside the building. But before we get there, guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Show us some love in the comments. Let us know what you guys think. If you guys have any questions, drop it down over here and we'll try to answer. So let's go upstairs.
Finding it, someone in and give you some help. Hey, yeah.
So Farooq, we're here at our sample apartment. It's a 2-bedroom unit. It's about 1,200 square feet. We have our first bedroom over here on the right, which is coming with its own bathroom. And then we have another guest bathroom over here, which is very important because you don't want to mix the public with your private space. And as you can see, the hall is very spacious. This apartment came fully furnished. With the kitchen, with the furniture. We have very good kitchen that is set up over there. And I also want to add that all our sanitary ware fittings, all our bath fittings come from our own brand Milano. And the good thing about Milano is, again, it's affordable luxury. It's a high-end product where we give up to 7-year warranty. So if anything goes wrong, you know, it's replaceable.
I really like the kitchen. The fact that it opens up onto the living space and you have everything nicely tucked away. I like the choice of furniture as well. Very nice, very chic, very modern.
And this over here is the master bedroom.
So every apartment in this building came as is, right?
Yeah.
Fully furnished.
We've given the finishing of Marina. I know I keep saying this, and you know what the prices are. So that's the whole point, you know, to give that dream, good quality product to our customers so they keep coming back. And that's the reason why we're 97% sold out in all our projects.
Wow guys, 97% sold out on the 14th project, and the 15th project is coming up, which is called Skies. And if you guys like this project, you guys are gonna absolutely love Skies. So guys, thank you so much for watching this. Make sure you guys like this video and let us know in the comments what you guys think. And like every time guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon for another great vlog.
Thank you,
all.
Farooq.
Thank you
You're
so much, bro. Thank you so much. Done.
Finished.
Cut.